results are becoming more and more positive and almost becoming equal with the more higher, better endowed schools.
Bengameli Cyril Ramaphosa usikile tinguquko letinkulu letikhona kumkhakha wetemfundo kuleli.
I table therefore the motion that the executive mayor should be removed.
Sawuphinza wakhishwa kwelivoti lekamethebhe lebakasasangidolobha kumasipala lomkhulu wase-e-Jozi Dokotela Phalatse.
Fair warning to anybody locally, worldwide, this is the year of Vusi the Brian Mitchell Boxing Academy.
Sikhungo Brian Mitchell Boxing Academy sineminyaka nesigamu sikhona kanti sesithole iqoqo letilishumi nakunye. Kwaba kuhle hlangana endzabeni tiswati la kwesebusodolobha na ku-TTT asibukele thamba embili lomuhla.
SABC News itlile go tlhoma semmuso kana le entshwa ya dikgang ka 2023.
I-DTT izokuhlinzeka ngazo zonke izindaba ihora nehora
En regstreeks verrigtinge vanaf die parlement in jou taal uitsaai.
Indaba za SABC ilizwi lakho zizimele azimamkhethe.
Iphake ngodla kuleli nyuse imali mboleko ka 25 basis point yaya ku 7.25%. Umphathi welibhange lesichakhanyaka uthi lokunyusa kwalendalo kumahambisana nekusekela isingo sekubolekisa. Lokunyusa kwakamuva nga 25 basis point kunyusela indalo imali mboleko nga 375 basis point solokwenye iminyanga yakalweti nga 2021. Lelibhange lisolo kakhulu ngolunyusa indalo imali mboleko ngesikhathi lapho khona abathengi badonsa amatima. Akhanyaka uthi lelibhange linyusa indalo nanobe kudze kulindzelekile. Bengameli Ramaphosa uthi tinguquko letinkulu letikhona kumkhakha wetemfundo kuleli. Ramaphosa bekethula inkulumo elilanga eminyaka yonke kumbuthano wekudzingidza ngetemfundo esentini lomuhla. Bengameli uphawule nangakwenyuka kwelizinga lekuphasa kumatikuletsheni.
Ramaphosa utshele tinhlakatongo letsinzeka kutemfundo tihambela ilihotla kutsi kuyajabulisa kubona imiphumela yamatikuletsheni ithuthukile nanoma nje bekune COVID-19.
Since Bantu education, which really did one of the most terrible damage to the education of our nation, as we've been improving, particularly in poorer schools, and the results are becoming more and more positive and almost becoming equal with the more higher, better endowed schools.
Nakakhulumisa indzaba yabafundi lebakela bangakaqedi isikole uthi ngomthwalo lula loyo banvana abafundi zotifundvo labatifunako.
If we can provide learners with more choices and better guidance, we should be able to reduce the proportion of learners that drop out.
Ngekusho kwa Ramaphosa uma kungaba netifundo lehlukene lapho khona abafundi bangakhetha khona ngebuningi bato lokho kungenda abafundi ukuthi bathole umsebenzi malula nokuthi bakhona ukuthi sebenta uma baceda sikolwa.
These subjects that include, and I've met a number of them, agriculture, marine and nautical science, electrical, civil and mechanical technologies, amongst others, are the types of subjects that we now want to see spreading in many of our schools.
Ramaphosa ucela bolabahambeli lihutla ukuthi babukete buchwephesha ukuthi tingasetshenziswa njani kusita le curriculum lekhona ekakhulukazi kule miphakathi leselele emva kantuthuko. Uphinze wathi uhulumende benakho lokusemandleni kusita imfundo ibe sezingeni lelifanele.
Uphinze wakhishwa esikhundleni sekuba ngisodolobha umasipala wase-e-Jozi Dokotela Phalatse. Phalatse lelunga leDA ukhishwa kulenzela kuvotela kwesishukumi sekuvakalisa kungamethembe lomuhla. Alikhulu namashumi amakhansela esekele lesishukumiso kwathi alikhulu namashumi 24 avotela kusicitha lesishukumiso.
Loyo bekangisodolobha umasipala lomkhulu we-e-Jozi ukholelwa ukuthi lokukhishwa kwakhe kwangamuva kungumdlalo wepolitiki lohlose kuphathamisa kwethula kwetinsita kuleli dolobha. Phalatse bekakhuluma netinsatheli mayelana neluhlelo lwe-City Power lekubukana nekucinywa kagesi ngenhloso yekumonga. Leli dolobha lithi linetinhlelo tekuqinisekisa impilo lesezingeni lelifanele kubantfu balo.
At 175 million rands, we would procure and distribute smart meters and communication that would enable City Power to be able to limit the amount of power distributed to homes. So instead of completely turning the power off, we'd be able to supply homes with enough energy to power essential needs.
July to December, we had a collection target. We were supposed to have collected about 9.8 billion rand. But in terms of what actually came through, it was 8 billion rand, which meant there's a 1.8 billion rand shortfall. And that's not enough. We need all our customers to pay.
Nanobe lokulwisana kwabasopolitiki kusaqhubeka, Phalatse ukholelwa ukuthi leti inhlelo angeke ziphazamiseke.
At a political level, yes, there's turbulence, there's instability, but the idea is that in the midst of all of that, sense must prevail, and certain plans that are crucial to keeping Joburg's heartbeat going must not be affected negatively.
Takhamuti nato tinelithemba lokuthi lokungevana angeke kuphatamise kwetfula kwetinsita.
Usenjalo ukhishiwe kuba ngisodolobha masipala lomkhulu weJozi Dokotela Phalatse ngemuva kweshukumiso sekungamithembi.
There are simply no fair, just and equitable reasons to call for this motion of no confidence. The ACDP rejects this motion.
I table, therefore, the motion that the executive mayor should be removed.
Emakhansela lomasipala lalikhulu namashumi lamane avote ukuthi ahambisane neshukumiso sokukhishwa kwaPhalatse. Kwathi lalikhulu namashumi lamabili nemfica aphikisana nalesishukumiso.
It is the Democratic Alliance, Madam Speaker, that has betrayed the multi-party coalition. Madam Speaker, the people of Johannesburg must know why their mayor is being voted out today. They need to know why the ANC is coming back again. They need to know that this is happening because the party that the mayor comes from has abandoned her.
Ilunga le-Action SA Bongani Balo iliso lenhlangano ye-DA ukuthi inesandla kulokukhishwa kwaPhalatse. Uthi lokuta ngemuva kokuthi Phalatse afuna kungenela umbango wesikhundleni esisetulu kule nhlangano.
It's not about the competence of Mayor Phalatse, it's not about the confidence on her, but it's because of her ambition to challenge for the leadership of the DA. That's where the issue is.
Uthi phendvulele Dokotela Phalatse.
I have not put my hand up. I've said that I will think about it. Should I decide to put my hand up, I'll certainly make an announcement, and there'll be no doubt about whether or not I'm standing for that position.
Ngivuselelo lobisi Tindzaba SABC e-Jozi.
Lomuhla sibuka simo setepolitiki kuleli kulandzela umshicilelo weqembu leliphikisako i-DA lapho belibuse khona dikhalo ngemthalo omubi lotanda kucinywa kwagesi ngenhloso yekumonga. I-ANC ke ayikwamukela uhlelo ledikhalo le-DA lebekaze ishicilelo enhlokovisi yayo eJozi. Emoyeni sikhuluma nomphelethi wetepolitiki njikalwati Bheki ngobetulo ngalesimo. Asimele edlakadla sikwamukela Tindzabeni teswati la ku-SABC naku-DTT.
Asibingelele mfowethu, sibingelele ithimba lakho bese sibingelele nakubalaleli.
Dlakadla sicala kana lesanza kuverenyalo ekuphinza kukhishwe esikhundleni sodolobha Phalatse eJozi lolunga le-DA kuthi kusho ukuthini ngesimo setepolitiki kuleli kanti futhi ngabe kubabekaphi abantu bakithi nakuda kwethulele kwetinsita.
Okokuqala nje mfowethu asikuveze ukuthi ekhathini endlule ngeke ngakusho ukuthi le ndaba yokubusa ngokubambisana okuthiwa i-coalition government thina la eSouth Africa asikakayilungeli. Namazwe amaningi futhi eAfrika awakayilungeli. Ingakho uthola ukuthi uma sithi siyazama ukuthi sibe nohulumeni okubambisana awubinalo uzinzo lento ekuyakuthiwa phecelezi stability. So lokho kwenzeke lapha eJoburg akuyona into fanele sithuse. Nanokuthi ke uDokotela Phalatse ubazi naye vele ukuthi uphila ngesikhathi sokwebolekwa lento abayabathi phecelezi is a borrowed time. Bekuyisikhathi nje sokuthi uma ngabe sekuphinde futhi kufakwa ukuthi akethenjwa na kanjani uzogcina ephumile njengoba kwake kwenzeka ngaphambilini wabuyela ke ngenxa ukuthi kukhona izinto ezazingalandelwanga. So iqiniso lilonke mfowethu uma kufika ekutheni kulethu insiza kubantu kusasetshenziswa lento yokubusa ngokubambisana angeke izisize ngoba nomasipala wangakithi impela emkhanya kude unesimo esifanayo. Namhlanje kuphethe iANC sasa kuphethe iAFP ugcina ungazi ngempela ukuthi ubani uphethe. So inkinga enkulu engacabanga ukuthi izogcina nje lapha eGauteng isazoqhubeka nakwezinye izifundazwe.
Sakaphumi ku-DA ke sibuye nje i-DA ke sibonile ukuthi ishucele enhlokovisi ye-ANC lapho ifika ngamukeleke khona. Kanti phela sibonisa iqembu le-ANC njengoba libusa kohulumeni kufanele singabe liyalela abantu bathini ikakhulu kathi njengoba lenzaba ecisha kwagesi nekulimala kumabhizinisi. Ngabe i-ANC ayiboniseki noma vele i-DA lemikise dikhalo enzaweni lengasiyo.
No mfowethu ngenhlanhla siya emoyeni nje kunodaba engibhalayo ngayo le nto le enziwe iDA. Asiqale lapha ekutheni isikhalo seDA isikhalo
Ndzaba leswahla ke se-ABC na ku-DTT la ubukele khona ukhethe kahle siyakumukela hlana sikubona siqhubeka naye ke Professor Bheki Mngobezulu. Baba Mngobezulu beselidzabeni lekuthi iDA sibone igijimela emanhlokovisi ye-ANC lapho ifika ngamukeleke khona kahle. Kaze kuphela sibuke ukuthi i-ANC njengelicembu lelibusa kufanele ngabe iyadiva khalote abantu. Ake sibuke ukuthi ngabe lokho lokwentekile kube ukuthi iDA imikise ikhalo enzaweni lengasiyo yini noma i-ANC yona ngekwayo akusiyo ilicembu noma akusiyo abantu abafuna kuboniswa.
Mfowethu asiqale ngokuthi iDA isinqumo lesisithathile isinqumo kufanele ukuthi ngabe kade yasithathe esokuthi ikhombise ukuthi iyathinteka ngodaba lukagesi oluthinta wonke umuntu wena nami sifakwe phakathi lapho. Kodwa ke mhlambe indlela abenze ngayo akuyona indlela befanele benze ngayo. Ngoba sizokhumbula phela ukuthi iDA ingelinye lamaqembu awu14 aseParliament. Okusho ukuthi uma kukhona izinto ofanele bayikhulume abayikhulume eParliament ingayi emahhovisi eANC iyofaka udaba ofanele ngabalidingide eParliament. Bese okwesibili futhi sikhumbule ukuthi iDA iqembu eliphikisayo. Okusho ukuthi uma ngabe ANC ingenzi kahle eParliament iDA inalo ilungelo lokuthi iye kwi-programming committee ifike ifaka udaba lokuthi icela ukuthi kukhulunywe ngalo daba lukagesi. So ke angicabanga ukuthi lokho kungasho ukuthi iqembu sekufanele lithi liqembu lezombusazwe lihambe liye ekomkhulu lelinye iqembu liyofaka ikhalo zezinto engafanele ngabe seParliament. Mina nawe namalungu omphakathi sinelungelo lokwenza lokho ngoba sikhe eParliament. Kodwa iDA njengeqembu eliseParliament bengafanele lenze kanjalo. So lenze into enhle kodwa lenze endaweni engafanele.
Dlakadla ke iDA iphindze ikhuluma ngenzabe ukuthi unelahle lihamba kemnyende kuya kubo Europe naseChina ngalesikhathi livala lelive livala ikhungo letiphehla gesi ngelahle liphindze licime gesi ngenhloso ekumonga. Ngabe lokho kungumcondo lohlakaniphile yini?
No, isikhali izwakalayo leso mfethu ngoba akuzwakali ngempela ukuthi amazwe omhlaba azofike athi asiyeke ukuthi siphehle ugesi ngelahle okuyinto esinayo ngobuningi la eSouth Africa. Bese bona kube yibona futhi abawathengayo lamalahle. Umbuzo uthi njengoba bewathenga lamalahle bazowenzani uma kuthiwa thina abanikazi bawo singawasebenzisi. Umbuzo oqala fanele siubheke lo. Bese ke okwesibili kuba nalento ukuthi khona imigomo esuke ikhona noma ivumelana esuke ikhona phakathi kwezwe elikhiqizayo nezwe elithengayo. Okusho ukuthi ke nako basinenkinga kagesi njengamanje. Uma ukuthi khona ivumelano esazenza namanye amazwe ukuthi sobanikeza ilahle elingaka kuzosiphoqa vele ukuthi asiqhubeke sibanikeze ilahle noma ngabe sikulezi inkinga lezi esinazo. Okusho ukuthi uhulumeni wethu uyaphoqeleka ke ukuthi akavule izingxoxo nalawo mazwe siwathengisela ilahle asho ukuthi nakuba sinasi isivumelano nani asiyimisele ukuthi sisinqamule kodwa nansi inkinga esibhekene nayo ukuthi abantu bethu abanawo ugesi. So ke leso sikhalo seDA ngicabanga ukuthi impela isikhalo esizwakalayo uma nje sizolandelwa ngemigudu efanele isikhalo fanele ngempela sonke singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika sesibheke ngoba uma ubheka kwaZulu Natal uma uthi uya drive khona kuphela 21 kilometers ama truck elandelene ethwele ilahle elisemkhunjeni eBay elihamba liyaphesheya ekubeni sibe sikhala ngokuthi amalahle asinawo eSouth Africa. Umbuzo okufanele ngempela siyisizwe siudingide lo ngoba na kanjani uyasithinda sonke.
Kafishane edlakala sesigcina nje sibone ukuthi investment imali yaseMelika ila eNingizimu Afrika. Ngabe lokuvakasha kwalenvuna yaseMelika kuleli ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ingazuza njani kulokuvakasha lwayo lenvuna?
Njalo uma ngabe khona umphathi noma umholi welinyizwe ovakashela elinyizwe kusuke kunezathu zalokho. Kuye kuqondane ke mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi umefika lo mholi ufika khona isimo vele esikhona etafuleni. Kodwa iqiniso lilonke ukuthi sinabo ubudlelwane nezwe laseMelika okusho ukuthi uma ngabe kufika isikhulu saseMelika lapha eNingizimu Afrika ziningi izinto abazoyixoxa engicabanga ukuthi kufanele bakubeke eqhulwini noma bakubeke phezulu yilona udaba lukagesi zingangena nezinye izinto kodwa into yokuqala kufanele ihambe phambili ile nkinga esibhekene nayo eyenza kube nzima ukuthi izwe likwazi ukukhuphula umnotho walo likwazi nokwakha imisebenzi lenze nezinye izinto isizwe esilindele ukuthi zenziwe uhulumeni.
Sibakhulu Dlakadla isikhathi sakho. Kulolitsaba ke lwagesi nebakithi ke sibutile ukuthi ngabe ungumbukeli ucabanga ukuthi idumbu kumele lihlale amalanga lamane yini emakhateni bese tiyafihlwa uphendule kanjena.
Into lengasiyinhle leyo ngoba thina sivele simnyama sithi ngasikhathi lesithe ukuthi sende emalungiselele sivite netihlobo nebangani.
Ngiyavumelana naba umasingcwabane mamsasazi ngenxa yalo gesi. Lo gesi ovele uhambe uke umke imizimba izawuba njani efrijini. Hayi ndiyavumelana nabo abantu mabangcwatshwe kwinsuku ezimbalwa umsasazi. De uhulumeni alungise lengxaki ekhona elizweni.
Abanye abantu abanayo imshwalense. Abanye abantu mabeshonele kuyathatha isikhathi eside bekwazi ukuhlanganisa amasende ukuthi bekwazi ukufihla abathandwe wabo.
Mina ngikubona kuumbono omuhle kuzonciphisa nendleko kubantu abasuke beshonele ngoba the more isidumbu sihlala emakhazeni kufika abantu la abanye abagonqile badla ukudla kwabantu abasuke beshonele.
Akusebenzeli kona kunzima ngoba manje nama postmortem awenziwa ngesikhathi ngenxa yokucisha kogesi, ama death certificate awenziwa ngesikhathi ngenxa yokucima kagesi. Kodwa ke phela kufanele ukuthi kuzameke kona ukuthi kwenzeke nokuthi idumbu zizebona.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli SABC ete yathweswa ukuthi phendulela ngawo. Indlela imali emelika Janet Yellen Kulindzeleke utsaphothule uhambo lwakhe kuleli kusasa. Yellen uhambela amave amathathu ase-Afrika lekuyi-Senegal, Zambia neNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu ingcenye lihlelo lahulumende waJoe Biden ukuqinisa budlelwane namave ase-Afrika. Kuphindze kwakhulunywa ngokuthi leli live naleli lasemelika bangasitana njani kutemandla.
The issue of the Just Energy Transition Partnership did come up in the Secretary's multiple conversations. She and President Ramaphosa discussed it at length. She also discussed it at length with Minister Montashe. There is a frank set of exchange of views. It's very clear from both the President as well as from Minister Montashe that the question of moving towards a low carbon emission economy is not in dispute. The only question is, what does the transition look like? How long does it take? And how do you actually get there? It is clear that there is substantial international financial support available to add green generation capacity to the grid here in South Africa. The partners will continue to do so, and we look forward to continuing to work with the government of South Africa on their priorities in this space.
Etemake tethola ukuthi ilrandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave. Imidlalo isikhungo iBrian Mitchell Boxing Academy sineminyaka lesigama sikhona kanti sesithola icocwe tilishumi nakunye. Baphathi baso bathi lokhu kusesesiqalo.
Anybody locally, worldwide, this is the year of Vusimotolo, the Brian Mitchell Boxing Academy, and every boxer that fights out of it.
Lawa ngemavi laphuma kumshayi isibhakela losakhula kulomdlalo. Lo mshayi isibhakela longu-champion we-Intercontinental WBA kanye ne-Junior Middleweight ungulomunye abashayi isibhakela babalela kule balishumi nakunye. Labanetime indlela tabo champion labangaphansi kwalesikolo iBrian Mitchell Boxing.
I think boxing is going to be one of our top sports in the country very soon again.
Kutethemba kanye nokutimisela kusobala kulabadlali bakulesikolo.
Sebesezingeni kakhulu baningi uRocco nje akusekho angathi ngakufathele Africa sekufanele afesane nawo ngaphandle kuba khona iboxer elikwi weight class like yena.
Umshayi isibhakela nelusasa lelichakatile Rooknep unerecord lokuphumelela imidlalo eli-17 kanzi uphumelele eli-15 nge-knockout kanzi ubuke kwenda lokufanako nakahlangana Ahmed Muswai wase-France.
Last outing was the same thing against a Mexican, a very tough come forward Mexican that just didn't let me breathe, but I still got the job done. And like I said, it wasn't just for me, it was for South Africa.
Mhlati il-18 ngenyangeni endlovu lengulo e-Emperor's Palace kutawuba nemidlalo welterweight kanye nalemibili lightweight litawuba nema-round lamane. Kiane Kopman, Michael Head kanye na Gerald Taser batawuba ingcenye abashayi isibhakela batawuba kulo mqhudelwano kanzi basatawumenyetela labatawuqhudelana nabo.
Ake sive siphomotha ukuthi uphethe tiphe kwalagwaleni lomuhla.
Likomiti lelibukelele tinqubomgomo tetimali kusilulu semabhange kulelive linqume ukukhuphula imali yentalomboleko nga-25 basis point nyalo-ke sekuyibeka ku-7.25%. Lenhlangano ye-EFF kulesifundza seMpumalanga ikhala ngekuthi lo mhlangano wemkhandlu wamasipala wemkhondo lobanjwe itolo nalapho busodolobha lomusha walo masipala bawungekho emthethweni.
Sitibeka lapho tolo umthetho wetolo sikhona simo setulu kakusasa sikhona sizibele isikhathi sifanako. Khumbula mbule ukuthi SABC tawetfela Tindzaba ngelimi lemdzaba lihlanga ukuhlwana kwanto isikhathi singama-hour angama-24 station esisha lesitawuvula. Usale kahle.